water, the flow of time, etching itself into stone. It is the artist and architect of its world and ours. Older than you or I, you've come to a magical place, friend. Geologists date the rocks of the falls to be about 750 million years old, from the late Precambrian period. The falls formed about 35,000 years ago during the last ice age. They cascade over a series of 20-foot falls in a span of less than a mile. Flowing fast water rushes through jagged, steep rocks, and the river eventually narrows as it goes through Mather Gorge. And the views are simply breathtaking. It's easy to see why so many people come here to find a little bit of solace from the hustle and bustle of their daily lives. And I'm no different. It is here I can breathe. I can witness cascade after cascade of falls. I can hear the thundering crash of the Potomac River. I can smell the dead leaves and dried grass. I can feel inspiration slowly returning through my veins. Can you? Nature's recharge has never felt better. This is a place that can make you feel worlds away. Take this as a gentle reminder to look in your backyard from time to time. You might surprise yourself with what you find. Natural beauty exists everywhere, friend. Even close to a city. You don't have to travel a world away to feel worlds away.